What's up, guys, and welcome back to the Daily Entertainment Bar Show right here on TV. If you're new here and you haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe to this channel by clicking the subscribe button below, and also click on the bell icon right next to the subscribe button so that anytime drop a new content, you will be the first to be notified. Yeah, so today's bars we have Maame Serwaa breaking the internet with her newly acquired backside. Yeah, so Kumawood actress Clara Benson, popularly known as Maame Serwaa, has caused a stir on social media after she flaunted her newly acquired big booty online. Yeah, so the actress for some time now has been on hibernation after the Kumawood movie industry hit the rock. Maame Serwaa, who still wants to keep her celebrity status, has stormed social media with not only her chest looking heavy but that of her backside and hips as well, and she looks so unrecognizable. Yes, so we all know the young actress is heavily endowed on the front, but a new video cited by TV has Maame Serwaa challenging the likes of Moesha Budon and Fela Makafui looking at her newly. Yeah, so she looked extra curvy in the video and fans can't keep cool over her sudden transformation. Okay guys, watch the video and also don't forget to also drop your comment and opinion in the comment section below.